Hello everyone, and welcome back to DET Coach's Beginner's Guide to the Duolingo English Test. In the previous lesson, we learned a writing sample template for narrative prompts. In this lesson, we'll move on to descriptive and explanatory prompts. When you see words and phrases such as describe, explain, how, why, benefits, or provide examples, the prompt usually asks you to explain an object, place, activity, or phenomenon clearly. A descriptive and explanatory response cannot simply list a few features. You must also explain what those features do and what results they produce in a specific situation. First, look at the sample prompt in the lesson materials. Many everyday services, such as recycling stations, markets, transit stops, laundromats, and clinics, are used by people who may be tired, rushed, or unfamiliar with the place. What can designers or managers do to make these services easier to use? When answering, first select one type of service, then describe specific improvements and explain how they help users who are tired, in a hurry, or unfamiliar with the setting. Here, we'll choose a community clinic. The main improvements are a clearly marked check-in desk beside the entrance and color-coded signs. The effect, specific usage scenario, observable result, and broader conclusion that follow must all focus on this clinic. The first paragraph of the template identifies the subject and directly explains what it should provide. Subject is best described as direct description or explanation. In practical terms, this determines what people notice, experience, or are able to do. Fill the first slot, subject, with a noun phrase that includes an article, such as a community clinic. The second slot follows is best described as. Fill it with a noun phrase that directly explains the nature or main function of the subject. There is no need to begin with background information. The reader should immediately understand what you are explaining and the standard for judging whether the subject is easy to use. The second paragraph makes the explanation specific. A defining aspect is complete concrete aspect, which specific effect or reason. Its importance becomes particularly evident when specific situation or example. Under these conditions, observable result. Fill complete concrete aspect with a complete, visible feature. It can include related features, steps, or conditions that work together. The specific effect or reason slot follows which. Use a verb phrase to explain what the feature does or why it is effective. The specific situation or example slot follows when. Use a complete clause to describe a realistic situation in which this design is most needed. Finally, use observable result to complete a full sentence describing a result the user can observe. The aspect, effect, situation, and result must form one continuous chain. The third paragraph brings the explanation to a close. Viewed in a wider context, broader conclusion. This conclusion extends beyond the immediate example because the same conditions can produce similar effects elsewhere. Fill broader conclusion with a complete clause that extends the specific situation to more users or other similar places. The conclusion should follow naturally from the earlier example. Do not suddenly introduce a new idea that has not been explained. Now fill the template with details about the community clinic. The subject is a community clinic. The direct description is a public service designed to guide visitors through appointments efficiently and reduce avoidable confusion. The concrete aspect is a clearly marked check-in desk beside the entrance. The specific effect is allows patients to register and ask questions immediately, while color-coded signs direct them to the correct room. The specific situation is a first-time patient arrives during a busy period while staff are occupied. The observable result is the patient can move through each step independently and avoid unnecessary stress or delay without repeatedly asking staff for directions. The broader conclusion is clear guidance makes the clinic more accessible to regular patients, newcomers, and people in a hurry. All 7 slots answer the same question: how clear check and procedures and directions help different users complete their visit more smoothly. Now listen to the complete model response. A community clinic is best described as a public service designed to guide visitors through appointments efficiently and reduce avoidable confusion. In practical terms, this determines what people notice, experience, or are able to do. A defining aspect is a clearly marked check-in desk beside the entrance, which allows patients to register and ask questions immediately, while color-coded signs direct them to the correct room. Its importance becomes particularly evident when a first-time patient arrives during a busy period while staff are occupied. Under these conditions, the patient can move through each step independently and avoid unnecessary stress or delay without repeatedly asking staff for directions. Viewed in a wider context, clear guidance makes the clinic more accessible to regular patients, newcomers, and people in a hurry. This conclusion extends beyond the immediate example because the same conditions can produce similar effects elsewhere. The template establishes the order, but all 7 slots must contain specific details. Simply writing convenient, helpful, or easy does not explain how the service becomes easier to use. In the next lesson, we'll move on to writing sample 04, Opinion and Argument Prompts. I'll see you in the next lesson.